And hello on a Saturday. I am meteorologist Tom Quicker. We're going to talk a little weather, and I think you're going to like this forecast because there's some of the wet stuff in it. Rapides Hospital, we're looking toward the north, toward the Curtis Coleman Bridge. Still a few cumulus clouds out there. We'll call it mostly sunny. And looking elsewhere, we're checking out the area around Natchitoches, where the numbers up there are not right. Of course, the temperature was warm today in the 80s, but we see the same sky there with a partly cloudy to mostly sunny sky in that direction as well. So looking ahead for Cenla, this is some of the points that we'll be talking about. First of all, the morning fog continues to be pesky, and it will be so for the next couple of mornings. Now, the warm weather's been here for a while, and it's going to continue into next week. So the most important thing is, though, with an exclamation point, rain chances are increasing for the latter part of next week. Now, we need the rain, but it also could be some alterations in Halloween plans because the highest rain chance does come on Thursday. Why is it raining finally? So, been 5 weeks at my house. All I've gotten is a trace of rain on October 1st. So the pattern's changing. We see this big dip in the jet stream here. This is an outbreak of deep, chilly air across the Rockies and into the southwestern states. What happens is when that occurs, the Gulf opens up as this energy kind of passes down and comes across the Rockies and lifts to the northeast. The Gulf opens up and pushes moisture into central Louisiana. That process will begin on Tuesday. The rain chance will start on Wednesday. Let me go a little bit further ahead where we see that system kind of pushing to the north of us. So it's done its job. It's got the moisture train going from the Gulf into Cenla. We see a second system off to the west. This would be by next Sunday, and that will keep rain chances going, I think, for a couple more days. Or we'll probably see a break between any rain chance that will occur with this system and the one for the latter part of next week. So that's where the rain's coming from. A pattern change bringing moisture in from the Gulf of Mexico. Satellite and radar currently. Interesting situation out west where we're seeing this is Tropical Storm Christy, former Hurricane Nadine, Tropical Storm Nadine, that is, that moved into Central America. It became a Cat 5 hurricane yesterday in the Eastern Pacific. So very interesting situation there, but you can see that it's decreasing, but some of that moisture will get entrained in the upper level flow and be pushed into the western United States. A little front to the north of us having trouble making it down into our areas, battling twin high pressure cells out ahead of it. So eventually we'll see a little push from that high up in the Corn Belt, and that will bring a little front through Sunday. Probably won't notice it though. By Sunday morning, of course, church time, no issues there except probably still maybe some lingering fog. I think by 10 o'clock, most of that will be over with though. By 6 o'clock, you got an evening service. You got something going on that evening. Otherwise, we'll see a partly sunny day, but I don't think there'll be any rain chances for Sunday evening. And back to work and school Monday morning. I do believe that the fog will be back here in Cenla, especially across the southern half of the area, and it could be dense. So morning commute, slow down, be careful. Otherwise, for the rest of the day, Monday, no issues. We're going into the 7-day forecast, so next couple of mornings, a fog issue that you'll have to deal with. Remember to slow down, keep your headlights on low beam, and of course, pay attention, and of course, concentrate more as you drive. All right, this little front comes in Sunday. You see it makes very little difference in temperature. We remain pretty warm through Tuesday and Wednesday. Minimum temperature start coming up. See, we got upper 50s for Sunday, Monday mornings, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, into the 60s. The moisture's here, and it's going to stay here with those lows. And so rain chances begin Wednesday. Most of that 30% will be higher to the west of us. That's going to be here for Alexandria, Pineville, for kind of an average across Cenla. We'll double that for Halloween. Showers and some thunderstorms mixing in. So rain is likely on Halloween, may force some changes and plans that day for trick-or-treating. Rain chances remain pretty healthy on Friday, mainly just showers there, a few lingering showers on Saturday. And so that is the forecast here for the next week. At least it's got some rain in it. At least I was able to put some rain chances in. And we'll be looking for continuing to increase those chances as the data continues to come available. So Nick Mickels will see you tomorrow, and I'll be working in the Forecast Center. Take care and have a blessed Sunday.